Hello, my name is Luis Arreta Montiel. I am a student of University SECAR. Well, today we go to talk about a conversation between Lorena and Carlos about of the problem technology. Well, this is workshop text 2 conversation. Well, Lorena. Hi Carlos, sorry to bother you. I have a question for you. Carlos. Okay, what's up? Lorena. I have a problem with my computer. I know you're an engineer, so I took your mind to able to help me because I can't figure it out. Carlos. I see. What's the problem? Lorena. I have a fear that I can open up. I think computer have a virus and that set back my project. Carlos. What type of file is it? Lorena. It's a PowerPoint document and I need to finish it. I have to print out the document tomorrow. Carlos. Were you able to open it before? Lorena. Yes. I was working on it last night, but this morning I couldn't open the file. Lorena. I think so. Last night alone in a page that was not very secure. Carlos. Okay, I am not sure what wrong. Whether it's possible send the file as soon I can go online. You'll see if I can get document open up. Lorena. Could you tell me your email address to write it down? Carlos. Okay, my email address is carlos1245@hotmail.com. Lorena. Okay, I'll do that when I get home. Carlos. Okay, send it to when you get a change and we'll call you later. Lorena. Okay, bye. Carlos. Bye. Thank you so much.